Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 8 comparing quantities. What about comparing quantities? Comparing quantities means how many times the one quantity to the other quantity. How many times one quantity is to the other quantity. That is known as comparing quantities. That two quantities are comparison doing. Then comparison doing time, one more thing you try to understand, for them they want same units also. Different unit means make it as a same unit, then only we can comparison doing that two quantities value. Then comparison doing by ratio. What is that ratio? How do I, the symbol of ratio is like this, is to. Here this 2 point represent as a ratio symbol. Symbol of ratio is like this. Then next here, so we are use ratio case, we are a comparison doing and putting a two dot points. Comparison symbol is. Then here in this exercise, first exercise 8.1, they are asking here percentage. First we want to compare the two quantities. First question they says that rupees 5 rupees to 50 pies. Compare these two quantities. Which are the two quantities here? 5 rupees and 50 pies. Then looking time, both are in different unit. One is in rupees, another is in pies. That's why we can't directly we can't do comparison doing. Already comparison doing that they want must and should need us in a same unit. But here they are different unit. So what we want to do, make it as a same unit. Which one is best? Rupees or pies is best for conversion. Rupees higher value is convert to lower unit is best. Okay, otherwise lower to higher means division doing. Higher to lower unit conversion means multiplication. We know that 1 rupee containing how many pies? 100 pies are there. That's why 2 rupees means how much pies? 2 into 100, 200 pies. Then 4 rupees means how many pies? 4 into 100, 400 pies. Same way here 5 rupees case, how we can write 5 into 100, 500 pies it will, we can convert. So instead, so first we the letter, the word 2 we can remove. How to remove a ratio? Comparison doing with the help of ratio. Ratio symbol we can keep rupees 5. Instead of 2 place we can keep a ratio symbol 50 pies. Then second step, we convert rupees to pies. We know 1 rupee containing 500 pies. That's why 5 rupee containing how many pies? 5 into 100 become 500. So 5 into 100 pies is to 50 pies. Then first part is called antecedent. Second part we call it as a consequent. Here ratio case like that. In ratio we can represent as in a fractional form, 5 by 50 like this way. We can fractional form also we can write. Then cancellation, that way cancellation do, or in this way directly we can cancellation do. So ratio case, a numerator part represent as antecedent, denominator part name we call it as a consequent. That is the two words are related to the ratio. So here first we convert an antecedent place 5 rupees converted to pies, make it as a same unit, then only comparison possible. So 5 rupees containing how many pies? 5 into 100, 500 pies is the is to how much pies? 50 pies. Ratio wise right hand solve or right these two ratio symbol right and left side cancel. Any method we can do that. 0 0. 5 table 5 1 time, 5 table 50 10. Both have same unit to pies. We can cancel that pies. So how much is the answer? 10 is to 1 is the comparison doing them. Getting answer become a 10 is to 1. Their ratio become a, how much time? Rupees 5. How much time it is? 10 times 50 pies. That is the meaning. Then next question. Second question also same way. First we check it, they have same unit or not. 9 meter to 27 centimeter like this. But here looking at both of them have a different unit. Antecedent place is in the meter. Second number consequent place is in centimeter. First step what we want to do, write as in the ratio form. Then afterwards second step convert a meter to the centimeter is compared to centimeter. Meter is higher unit, so higher unit convert to lowest unit is easy. That's why second step we can convert. So first we symbolically write it as a 9 meter. Instead of 2 place we can put a ratio symbol 27 centimeter. 1 meter carry how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. That's why 9 meter we convert it to 1 meter 100. So 2 meter means how much centimeter? 2 into 100, 200 centimeter. 3 meter means 3 into 100, 300. Like that 9 meter means how much centimeter? 9 into 100 comes to be 900 centimeter. Then next step multiply 9 into 100 become 900 centimeter. Now see, antecedent also is in centimeter, consequent also is in the centimeter. Both have same unit. So centimeter part we can cancel. Which table possible to cancel? Directly 9 table, 3 table also possible. One more time we want to cancel. Higher table taking and cancelling. So one time enough. 9 table 27 how many times? 3 times. 9 table 900 how many times? 100 times. 9 into 100 become 900. So cancelled after what is the final answer? 100 is 2. 3 is our final answer. In this way comparison doing it. Then next one more question. Third question 30 days. 30 days to 36 hours. Comparison doing. That is our question. Compare these quantities. One is in day, one part is in days case, and the second part is in hours. Both are in different unit. First step is we make it as a ratio symbol. So we can write it as a 30 days. 2 place we can write ratio symbol 36 hours. Next step what we want to do, convert days or hour is greater days. So we know that 1 day carrying how many hours? 1 day means it carrying 24 hours. That's why here to 30 days means what we can write it as 30 into 24 we can write. Here 30 days is, so 30 into 24 hours is to 36 hours. Same unit. So hours and hours cancel. Then next multiply. 30 into 24 because how much? 3 4s are 12, 720 is to 36 will get in there. Which table? Directly 36 table or which table? 9 table you can post. 9 table when we get a 9 4s are 36. 72 means 9 8s are 72 but 0 is there. Again cancellation possible. 4 table 4 into 1 comes to be 4. 4 into 20 comes to be 80. So what is the final ratio? How we can write? 20 is to 1 is the final ratio. In this way comparison doing. I hope you can understand how to compare the quantities. Compare the quantity means how many times the one quantity to the other quantity. So we get 20 is for 30 days to 36 hour means how much quantity it is? 20 is to 1 ratio. That is the meaning of this question. Next we go through here one word problem is there. In that word problem they tells about here in a computer lab 6 computers are given for 6 not 3 computers are given for 6 students. 6 students. Question asking how many computers are required for 24 students. How many computers are required for 24 students? So we want to find out. How to find out? First, what are the information they given? 6 students. How many computers are available in the computer lab? 3 computers. So we can write it as a number of computers for a number of computers for a 6 students is equal to how many? 3 computers. Then unitary method means try to find out one student case. So one student getting how many computer. So number of computer for one student is equal to, how to find out 6 students case, 3 computers by 6. So cancelling how much will coming 1 by 2 will getting them. Then find out what they ask you to find out 24 students case. They asking 24 students how many computers required. So number of computers required for 24 students. Find out 24 students is equal to one computer, one student case how much 1 by 2. So 24 students means what we want to do, multiply with 24. So for example, here 5 chocolate containing having 50 rupees. So we want to find out here we want 10 chocolate. So what is the how much rupees he want to pay the shopkeeper? Like this question asking how to find out 10 chocolate amount. First we find out 1 chocolate amount. How to find out 5 chocolate amount is 15. So 1 chocolate amount means 50 divided by 5. How much rupees? 1 chocolate to become 10 rupees. So what they ask you to find out 10 chocolate case. So what we doing 10 chocolate is multiplied with 1 chocolate amount. So it will become how much? 100 rupees. Same way here also, here 6 students computer number is given. First we find out 1 student case how much will getting 1 by 2. Then what they ask you to find 24 students case. That's why 1 by 2 is multiplied with 24. 2 and 24 cancellation possible. So how many computers will required? Here 12 computers required for 24 students. That is the meaning of this question. Next we go through exercise 8.2. In 8.2 first what about percentage? What about percentage? Percentage means here symbol of percentage is like this. This symbol represents as a percentage. Percentage is always calculated with the help of 100. See what is the 1%? 1% means how we can denote means 1 by percentage represent as always with respect to 100. So 1. So what about 2%? How we can write 2 by 100? Here 15% means how we can write 15 by 100. Percentage represent as like this. So a percentage symbol is in this way. Percentage symbol related to this 8.2 exercise. Percentage conversions, decimal point, how to convert it to percentage, fraction. Here question is given that fractional number, how to convert to percentage. Here suppose 2 by 5 is a fractional number, converted to percentage means how to find out. Remember, multiply with 100%. We multiplied with 100. Then cancellation possible, cancel. 5 table 5 one time, 5 table 100, 20. So 20 into 2 become how much percentage? 40. You don't forget to putting a percentage symbol. Find the percentage asking time. Remember to keeping a percentage symbol also. So that type of questions we are going to discuss on which exercise? Exercise 8.2 exercise. Yeah, first question, convert First part they are asking a convert a fractional number to percentage. How to convert a fractional number to percentage? First question is 1 by s fractional number. How to convert? What I say, multiplied with a which number? 100%. Then we can write it as in the percent. So 1 by 8 is multiplied with 100%. Remember, always be like that too. Cancel a shade table directly, not possible. So 4 table choose 4 2s are 8. 4 into 25 become 100. So cancelled after. Same table used for cancelling numerator and denominator. That also then only we get equivalent fraction. So 1 in numerator, again cancellation, 2 table 25 not possible. So numerator into numerator 25, denominator 2 is the 25 by 2. In this way write or a decimal point wise write. How to decimal point wise write? 25 is divided with 2. How many times? 2 subtract 1 5 2 here 4 1 decimal point 10 5. So what is the answer? 12.5. Don't forget to keep up which symbol? Percent. Why? Because our question they ask you to convert a fractional number to percentage. So remember to keep in the percentage symbol. One more question. Convert 3 by 40 fractional number. 3 by 40 convert it to a fractional number. Here percentage. How to convert 3 by 40 is what we want to do. How to convert to percentage? Always we want to multiply with 100%. 0 0 cancel. Which table? 4 and 10 directly not possible. 2 table 4 2 times. 2 table 10 5 times. Directly 4 table not possible. Again cancellation straight-wise not possible, cross-wise not possible. Then numerator into fraction chapter, second chapter we learned that. 3 5s are how much? 15. Denominator which number? 2 and which symbol to remember? Percentage symbol. Fractional wise write or divide. How much will coming? 7.5 percentage. 2 table for 15 note the nearest answer 7. 50 minus 40 become 1. Then keep 0. Then 10 2 table 10 5 times. So 7.5% is the answer. I hope you can understand how to convert a fractional number to a percentage. Then second Roman they says about decimal numbers are giving. Then how to convert into a percentage. Decimal numbers how to convert to a percentage. Convert second Roman convert decimal fraction to percentage. That is the question. First question 0.65. In this way question given. Decimal point is given. We want to convert as in the percentage. First what we want to do means write as in fractional form. How to write a decimal number as a fractional form? Second chapter we learned. First you check it after decimal point how many digits are there. 2 digit means how to remove decimal point divided with 100. Decimal after 1 digit means how to remove that decimal point divided with 10. Decimal after 3 digits are there means how to remove decimal point divided with 1000. Here 2 digits are there. That's why we can write it as how to remove decimal point and divided by 100. So that decimal point will removing. And then we know that how to convert percentage. Always we multiply with 100%. So multiplied with 100%. Denominator also 100. Numerator part also 100. Cancel. So what is the answer? 65. And remember to keep our question is converted to a percentage. Then second question. Next is 2.1 converted to percentage. How to remove? First here decimal point first of all we remove. How to decimal point remove? Divide after decimal point 1 digit. Which that one? 1 is the 1 digit. That's why divided with which number? Divided with 10. So we can write 21 by 10. That decimal point will remove. And how to convert to percentage? Multiply with 100%. 1 0 we can easy to cancel. percent. Then denominator become 1 only, leave that part. Numerator 21 into 10 become same number, right? 10 carrying how many 0? 1 0. That's why 210 and which symbol a percentage symbol to keep it on the right side part. So 210 percentage become the 2.1 decimal number. Then next one more question. Here next question is third question. That question they says about 12.35. Convert this decimal number to a percent. How to first you check it after decimal point. How many digits are there? 2 digits. So how to remove divided with it? Don't forget about the 2 digit means divided with 100 into percentage. How to convert? Multiply with 100%. Same 100. So we can cancel. So how much percentage? 1235 percentage will get in there. In this way we are calculation doing. This is about our second Roman. Then next we go through here percentage are asking finding how much percentage. Third Roman they ask about how much percentage will it to become. Third Roman find a question 15 percentage of 250. 15 percentage of 250, that is the question. Find out 15 percentage of 250. How to find out? Percentage is there. They given 15 percentage. So first we remove that percentage symbol. How much is the 15 percentage of my hand? 250 rupees is there. I want to give 1% 15 percentage of 250. Ask it how much rupees we want to calculate. How to calculate 15 percentage of 250 means percentage symbol first we remove. How to remove percentage symbol? It represent as always divided by 100. That also keep in order. Already I said percentage we calculate with respect to 100. So percentage symbol how to remove? Divided with always divided with 100 of. The word of represent as a multiplication symbol. Which number? 250. Crosswise cancellation or a straight wise. Anyway you can cancel. 0 0 we can cancel, right? Numerator and denominator. Again 5 table, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again straight 2 and 15 not possible. 5 and 2 no. Crosswise also cancellation not possible. Then multiply 15 2s are how much? So 15 5s are 15 numerator into numerator. How much will coming? 75 will coming. Denominator which number is the 2? Here again need not bad percentage symbol. Already what is the amount? Asking. So here what is the amount for 250 rupees? 15 percentage of 250 is how much? That is the question. Again, need not want to put a percentage symbol. We removed that one. Then division do. Then how much will coming in? That is the answer. 2 table 3 times 6. Subtract. Then 15 means 7 times 14. Subtract 10. So what is the answer? 15 percentage of 250 means suppose my hand 250 rupees is there. 15 percentage of 250 represent as how much? 37 rupees. 50 paise is the 15 percentage of the 250. That is the meaning of this question. Next question, B question. 20 percentage of rupees 2,500. My hand 2,500 rupees is there. I want to give a 20 percentage to somebody. So how to give that? How to calculate? First what I say? Percentage given time a percentage symbol remove. How to remove? Always we divided with 100. Of represent as in mathematics. Of represent as which symbol? Which operation? Multiplication operation. But into how much rupees? 2,500. 2 zeros are there, we cancel that. Then 25 into 2 become how much? 50. Then here one more zero is there. So how much rupees become the 20% of 2500 will getting there 500 rupees represent as the 20% of the 2500 rupees. I hope you can understand this. Then one more C question. 1% of 1 hour. They ask you find out 1% of 1 hour. How to find out what I say? 1% symbol. How to first we remove. How to remove it? Divided with 100. O for represent as which operation? Multiplication operation into 1 hour. Then cancellation not possible. So numerator into numerator become 1 by 100. Hour will get you, but we in this way write or convert to minute to means 1 hour carrying how much minute, how much minute 1 hour is equal to 50 minutes. That's why instead of this 1 hour place we can write it as 60. So 60 by 100 minutes. Cancellation possible. 0 0 cancel. Which table cancel? 2 table 3, 2 table 10, 5 times. So 3 by 5 minutes is the answer. In this way we can convert and write here. What we done there? Here answer we got it as in hours. Convert that hour to minute to means we know that 1 hour carrying how much minute? 60 minutes. That's why 1 by 100 is multiply with 60. So 1 into 60 becomes 60 by denominator 100. 0 0 cancel. 2 table use to cancel. 2 table 6 3 times. 2 table 10 5 times. So answer become 3 by 5 and we convert that hours to minutes. So our unit to become which unit? Minutes unit will get in. I hope you can understand this topic. Remaining part we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.